Do you hate math? Because I know I do. Well, my friends from MicroJig sent me the FitFinder.
FitFinder by MicroJig. The concept here is really simple. What we do is have this gauge. I'm going to set it on here, right on the edge, and like that, we are already locked in.
Finds half the thickness instantly.
It's a very accurate, smooth joint there. There's really no ridge at all. Find the center point of round stock, draw two opposing lines, and you have the center of that stock.
So that's the MicroJig FitFinder. Check it out, easy to use, makes me not do math.